How can we capture reality for VR? Hi, I'm Gord and I tried HDR Panoramas. To start, choose your point of view and set up a sturdy tripod about eye height. Mount your camera. I used a Manfrotto tripod with a pan tilt head marked in degrees for accurate rotation. To capture more vertical field of view, put your camera sideways in portrait mode. Use a wide lens and take some trial exposures for the brightest and darkest parts of your scene. The snowy trees outside my window were about 4 stops brighter than the darkest corner in my room. Focus carefully and set your aperture to f11 to keep everything in focus from near to far. Choose a nominal shutter speed and ISO as needed for best average exposure. Set color temperature, then take 3 different exposures, low, medium, and high. I did this by changing the shutter speed by factors of 2 f-stops for each shot. Then rotate to your next view to overlap about 40% and take your next set of 3 exposures. Repeat 11 times. When finished shooting, merge each set of 3 exposures into one HDR photo in Adobe Lightroom by right-clicking and choosing Photo Merge HDR. For 90-degree views, you can blend 3 adjacent HDR images into one panel by right-clicking and choosing Photo Merge Panorama. Repeat 3 times. Save and export your 4 panels as JPEGs. On your VR PC, open Unity Hub and start a new 2019.4 Unity project. Use the VR template. In the project window, create a new folder in your Assets and call it Materials. Then drag your JPEGs in. Confirm you can see each photo texture okay. In your Unity hierarchy, create a new game object, 3D object, quad, and name it Photo. Set its scale as big as you want, say 10 by 10 by 10 meters. Move it away from the camera so you can see it, say 0.55. Now select your quad in hierarchy and simply drag one panel in the Materials section of your project window directly onto the photo quad in the scene. Your photo should show up. Then save with Ctrl+S, hit Maximize on Play, and the play button to run your project. Put on your Oculus Quest or Rift headset. Voila! It works! Your own scene in VR. You should see head tracking and your controllers too. Later you can add more panoramas or textures, but we're out of time. Thanks for watching.